What is good, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how you can animate hair inside of After Effects and Photoshop. So first of all, what you'll need to do is simply start by selectioning the hair strands. So my favorite method to do so is simply by using this tool right there, the quick selection tool, and just by going into the hair strand. And I won't selectionate the roots, so I'm gonna delete that. I'll just pick this part and I'm gonna go down there and try to pick the tip. Now what I'm gonna do with this is simply copy it and paste it into another layer so it can be isolated like so. And what we're gonna do is simply hide the layer with the hair strand, and I'm gonna simply delete the hair strand from the original picture. So I'm gonna do that right there. Just do a rough selection around the strand. Click on generative fill, and as you can see now the hair is gone, and if you enable the visibility of the other layer, the hair will come back. So now just do that with all of the other strands. So once you're done with all that, it's supposed to look like that without all of the hair layers, and where you put them all visible, as you can see they are all separated. Now what I'm going to do is simply save this Photoshop file and open After Effects, create a new project, and I'll import my Photoshop file inside of my After Effects project. Now what I'm going to do is simply download the hair rig script. It's totally free. The link will be in the description. And now the thing that I'll do is simply click on this button right there to isolate a specific strand, and I'm going to click right there to have a white background. And now I'm going to pull out the puppet pin tool, and I'm going to do some pins like so. I'm going to go on file, and then I'm going to go on script and click on hair rig, click on run, and it is supposed to give me something like this. And as you can see, if I go into the FX control of the hair strand, I can actually control the frequency and the amplitude. Okay, so now what you can do is simply do that for the rest of the hair strand. So I'm going to do that with this one. Puppet pin tool, add some pins, and keep in mind that the more pins you add, the more flexible the hair strand will be. So yeah, now I'll just do that for the entire head. It's actually really simple to do, and it saves a lot of time, and you don't have to do it all manually like back in the days, because this script is really a lifesaver, especially for people who does animation inside of After Effects. I really recommend this script right there. And here is the final result. It's not too bad. I really like it, and it was pretty easy to do. The longest part was the masking, obviously, but after that, once you go inside of After Effects, you just start putting some puppet pins here and there, click on the button, and the animation is done for you. So I hope you guys like this video. If you want to know more about how to animate a character inside of After Effects, don't hesitate to check out this video right there. I'll see you guys here. I'll see you guys later.